Hey y'all, happy Friday. Look, I finally got all my decorations up. I have my grandparents' nativity, their wreath. Way too many Christmas knickknacks because I'm kind of a hoarder like that. The tree. Anyway, that's not why we came in today. I was sitting outside in my usual mom cave. I had just come inside to make a bowl of cereal when all of a sudden I heard what sounded like an explosion in my kitchen. Breaking glass. I prayed it was not my grandmother's china cabinet. I never thought I would walk into this. My entire cabinet and the corner thing that had all the knickknacks from our wedding, everything. It used to look like these cabinets.